My salutations to my master and to all enlightened masters. I am here just to share my knowledge and to learn many things from you. Actually, I am just considering to be a student of Ayurveda. I am not a Vidwan, I am not a scholar, because I consider each patient who comes to me is different from the other patient. Can you lie down on this?
Yeah, on that.
Lie down is difficult for me. I can still try.
Lie down.
On your stomach, on your stomach, on your stomach. No, just relax, just relax. You have more pain here?
Here.
No.
I have a belt.
Here, here.
I have a belt. Is it okay? I'll take it out.
Okay, leave it, leave it. How is the pain now?
Better.
Better. So this is Amritakala.
Instant.
Okay. Instantly you can shift the pain, but he is not cured, okay. It's just shifted this pain from here now to here. It's paining here, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes. So this will come back slowly. Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Anybody has got neck pain? So that's it. So this is Vishuddha. Okay. Where you have the pain?
Left. Left knee.
No, I said neck.
You said, yeah, I have left.
Okay. Where you have the pain? It's a wrong spot. Turn your neck to this side. It's paining here.
Yeah. You shifted it here?
No,
Or
no.
not there?
I can shift it to another place.
No, please.
No. You can choose one finger.
Choose a finger.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
It's paining? Okay. How is your neck now?
It's not there.
Huh?
It's not there.
Not there.
No.
Okay. So this is the practical application. Okay.
She's a medical doctor, by the way.
Oh, really?
Can you tell us what happened to you just now? What he did and what is your
He asked for somebody who has neck pain, and I had pain on my left side, which I thought. And he said that actually the pain is not here, but it is here on the right side somewhere where he pressed. There was pain there. And then I asked him whether he had shifted the pain to the right side. So he said, no, if you want, I can shift it to any finger. So choose a finger where you want to shift it to. So I chose my right index finger. And he shifted the pain here, and this started paining, which I had never felt that it is pain. That's it.
With no neck pain.
No, the neck pain went away, that point that he had pressed.
So what do you feel about it as a medical doctor? How will you explain? Like, you feel that what has happened? Can this happen, or can I? Medically?
Medically, if I have to think, and if I have to add whatever knowledge of Ayurveda, little bit that I claim I have, I would feel that Vayu or whatever has shifted from one point to another through those meridians that he's trying to show.
You know what happened to you? Nobody can take your vein like this. Okay, that is a technique. It's a pranayama technique. Jesus Christ, if he touches, he can give you vision. Okay, just like that. I told you, when we want to read the pulse of a patient, you should hold the Vyana. Vyana is one nervous energy in your body. So I just trapped the Vyana in your system. Okay, that is an advanced pranayama technique, which can be received from a master to a disciple only. Whatever the prana you are taking is different, whatever the pranayama itself is different. See, Agna, why this is called as Agna? Because it is called Paduvarma. Have you heard about Varma? Paduvarma, Toduvarma, like that? No. Okay. Sir, can you take out your specs, please? So if you activate here, okay, the 72,000 channels of the body will be activated immediately. That is why there is a particular treatment in Ayurveda called as Pumsavana. You can generate what type of kid you want. Okay, the treatment is Nasya, nasal drops, something like that. Okay, so this place has got direct impact on a lady's uterus also. So can you tell me where is this marma exactly? No. No.
In the eyebrows.
In between.
In between the eyebrows.
Huh?
No.
Here.
No.
And the nose
Here.
tip.
It's here. That is, yeah, because that is why God has protected it always. Okay. So that is why it is called as Agna, the third eye of Lord Shiva also. Because it's meant with power. Exactly.
So we should give a good hand to Dr. Shaji.
Thank you.